Hi boys and girls, happy Thursday! It's time for your phonics lesson. So remember, we're going to start out with rhyming. If the two words rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, give me a thumbs down. Here we go. Ran, man. Way, day. Pack, let. Hip, dip. Gum, fast. Nice job with that one. All right, the next one we're going to do our onset fluency. So I'm going to say a word, then the first sound it starts with, then you repeat. Puppy, huh. Quit, qua. Was, wa. Yes, ya. Zoo, zzz. All right, next one is blending words. So, we're going to use our hands for this. We're going to say the first part of a word, you repeat. Second part of the word, you repeat. And then we're going to say it together when I clap. All right? Out. Side. Outside. In. To. Into. Hall. Way. Hallway. Day. Care. Daycare. High. Chair. High chair. Great. Next one is our roller coaster. We're listening for the middle sound in our words. So remember, we start out with our first sound, middle sound, and last sound, like a roller coaster. So our first one, our word is, and sorry, you're gonna do this with me, okay? Our word is pot. Let's do it. Pot. Our middle sound is aw. Nice job. Next word is nod. Odd. Middle sound aw. Doll. Aw. O. Middle sound aw. Hop. Up. Aw. Last one, knob, knob. Middle sound is ah. Great. Okay, we're going to need our choppers. We're going to segment words. We're going to be segmenting our compound words. We're going to say the whole word and then cut it into its two parts. I'll go first and you repeat. Rainbow, rainbow. Keyboard, keyboard. Good night, good night. Pancake, pancake. Starfish, starfish. Our next one is adding words, so you need both hands for this one. You're going to start with a base word, and I'm going to tell you to add something. So you're going to repeat after me, and then we're going to say the whole word together. All right. So your word is bed. Add room. Bedroom. Side. Add walk. Sidewalk. Moon. Add light. Moonlight. Sand. Add box. Sandbox. Hand. Add bag. Handbag. Very good. Okay, we're going to delete words now. So you're going to hold a little word in your hands. You're You're gonna repeat after me. Here we go. Your word is airplane. Without air, what you have left is plane. Nice job. Sunrise. Without rise, what's left is sun. Treetop. Without tree, without tree, what's left is top. Upstairs. Without up, what's left is stairs. Riverside. Without river, what's left is side. Nice. All right, we're going to continue on our rhyme today. So we have learned the first 4 lines to Hey Diddle Diddle. We're going to learn 2 more. So repeat after me. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight. Your turn. Nice job. We will finish our rhyme tomorrow. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.